So, all right, so here's what we got today. We have a, I'm thinking this is a CyberPower PC. I don't have anything that specifically says that on here, but I do believe that's what this is. That is not outputting video at all. I'm trying to remember. The customer said he was using it, and then everything suddenly went pink, and suddenly he didn't have video. So let's plug it in and see what we get. I'm going to go from there. It's either CyberPower or iBuyPower. The reason I think it's a CyberPower is because it has a part number on the back that's CA, that starts with CA. So that's what makes me think that. Let's get this video card out of here. Something about this doesn't feel right. But one of the things I noticed when it first came in was this. And I was like, oh, I'm just going to slice my hand open now. This is a known good card. Question is, yeah, I got enough power. I was worried I wasn't going to have enough power to power this. It's got an EVGA power supply too. No, I think he had something else in here. And what I'll do is I'm going to pull out my Dremel and I'm going to cut that off and smooth that out. Because last thing I don't want to leave a customer with something like that looks that bad. All right, let's see if we get video out from my video card. Okay, we just got done posting. And we do. So, that leads us to yet another video card failure. So, we're going to do a couple things here. We're going to dive right into taking this apart and seeing if we can't locate. It is a 2070. See if we can't locate what's going on with it. Remember, whenever you're using a Dremel, you want to have the proper safety gear on, and by that I mean eye protection. Gonna use my grinding stone on it next. All right, let me put these back on. At least now when, if you get near the back of this thing, you're not going to slice your hand off. So, when the time comes, when the new video card comes in, I'm going to take this whole motherboard out, give it a good, thorough demagnetizing, and then we will put the new video card in, redo some of the cable management. Just kind of go from there. But that'll be after we look at the actual video card. And after I take the motherboard off. No, other than that, the case is actually fine. I need to bring in one of my welding magnets from home just to run over my desk every once in a while. Alright. Pull this out. out of the way. All right, let's go ahead and get this. Did I put both tips away? Yeah, I did. First and foremost, let's get this apart and see if we can't see what's wrong with this. Yeah, that's it. Alright, so just quick visual inspection, not seeing anything wrong. I have a resistor here that I'm going to check and a fuse. Let's see how that looks. Starting with this guy. This is a fuse. Seems to be fine. That seems to be fine. Alright, now we start checking capacitors. Yeah, look at this. Look at the edge of this. Like, what the hell did bro do? Let's see. Let's check this other fuse. That other fuse is fine. Alright, so we got ground. Checking resistors and stuff. Yeah, I just noticed. Like, what did this card go through? That's just wild. Let me check the back of this. Like, I couldn't figure out why the guy was being so nonchalant about, like, me saying, hey, the video card's probably dead. Now I kind of know why he was being so nonchalant, because I'm pretty sure he knows that he killed it with whatever this was. Well, that's interesting. These are black. Look at that. I wonder if something exploded in here? Yeah, I've never seen that before. I mean, there's a lot of it. Like, that looks a little burned. We're gonna check this. Like, this actually looks like it got, like, temperature damaged. That's fine. It's fine. So we found a short. The problem that I immediately see with this short is let's follow the traces, because that's always fun, right? So these are bypassing it. We have to figure out what that goes for. Let's see if we find any other shorts, because we know we found at least a short on that. No short. We got a short here, so that would mean. So this ground plane is shorted. So this should be shorted. No. Oh, it ends here. But why would this be shorted? All right, let's see if we can't figure out where this goes. Ooh. Right next to this hole. So, I don't know if I can actually look at this right there. That's the other side of it. So this is a different layer than this. So this, let me see if anything else on this layer is shorted. No. That came off. Yep, so this whole trace is shorted. Where does this trace end? Holy crap. So that comes over to this guy. So that means everything on the bottom of here should be shorted? Yeah. So we need to find out what along this is shorted. Because this is this whole... Like, so this is where I first found it. So this whole thing... Still haven't hit an edge. Still haven't hit an edge. This is my first edge over here. Yeah, this is the whole bottom of this is shorted. Yeah. Oh, you're talking about like this? This? Like, I see that on a lot of cards. Like, I wouldn't call that water damage. But I do see that on various cards here and there. So I think it's just like a buildup of stuff. At first I thought it was water damage, but I've seen it on almost every video card I've worked on. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. This is the point where I first found a short. We're gonna inject some voltage into this and see what gets hot. You know, a nice low voltage, and we'll see what we get. So we're immediately getting an amperage draw. I'm not seeing anything on that side of the board. Okay, and then the other side of that was this. See if anything starts getting hot down here. I'm not seeing anything. I need to rotate this so my hand is not someplace that's covering part of the board. Alright, there we go. Nothing on this side. Not seeing anything at this point. Still nada. What are you? You go away when I stop? What is directly on the other side here? I think I might have found something. But unfortunately, what I think I found is in the board. Please tell me it's not the die again. So whatever it is not on this side. But when I start injecting voltage here, there is a spot on this board that starts to heat up. At least it was before. Yep, there it goes. And then when I take the voltage away, it goes away. It's right... What is this? It's right here. It's one of these guys. It looks like it's one of these guys. I just wish I knew which one it was. It's one of these. So... It's one of these two. We are looking at... It's either this one or it's this one that's heating up. So let's try and do the old school, a little bit of an old school test here. See if we can visually identify which one of these is our culprit. Well, this thing doesn't, it's not shorting now? Wait, what? I'm not grounded anymore? Alright, something's, oh, that's what's the matter. Well, I don't know if that's what failed. It's just where I'm getting my hotspot, and it is still happening. This should be DC voltage. Let me see what kind of voltages I'm getting to these things. 0.6, 0.6. So when I look at this under my thermal camera, there's a hotspot. Like, and nothing is overly heating up. Where you can just see like the alcohol boiling away instantly. See, if I was doing it on this side, I would expect that the CPU would be starting to get hot, but it's not. Or the CPU, the die. Nothing's really getting warm on this side. I wonder if the problem is in the center of the board. Which, like, that would be like super unfortunate. Now it's not heating up. So, previously, when I was doing this, we have, where's our... So these guys were all shorted before. Is that rust? It is 100% rust, isn't it? Yeah, I don't know. It's not rust, whatever it is. Get it off of here. Alright. I only got a couple more minutes of work on this thing. I've been working on this for a while, so I need to just tell the guy, like, hey, you're in the market for a new video card. Oh, alright, so what we just determined is our GPU core has died. 2.20. Alright, let me get this thing packed up. video card replacement on this one. So this one here I need to take all the way down. This is the one I did the grinding on. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.